Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, gather the tools you'll need for this repair. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, an anti-static wrist strap, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Ensure your workspace is clean and well lit. First, power off the laptop and unplug it from the wall. Remove the battery if applicable. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel. Take your time with each screw, as they can be delicate. Organize the screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the back panel is off, you'll see the internal components. Begin by inspecting the motherboard for any visible damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you notice any dust buildup, use the can of compressed air to clean the area. This is crucial for proper airflow and cooling. Now, if you need to remove the motherboard for a closer inspection, carefully detach any ribbon cables and connectors. Remember, when handling these components, it's essential to wear your anti-static wrist strap to prevent static damage. If the problem lies within the motherboard itself, you may need to replace certain components. For this, you might require soldering tools. However, if you are not comfortable with soldering, keep in mind that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experienced technicians can help identify the issue and provide you with a quote before repair. As you proceed, take note of the orientation of each component and the location of screws. This will make reassembly much smoother. If your laptop is showing signs of overheating, apply new thermal paste to the CPU and GPU. Clean the old thermal paste off with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth before applying a small amount of the new paste. After addressing the motherboard issues, reconnect all cables and screws in their original positions. Make sure everything is secure but avoid over-tightening the screws, as this could damage the components. Before closing the laptop, perform a quick check to ensure that there are no leftover screws or tools inside. This is a common mistake that can lead to further issues. Now, if you're feeling uncertain about the reassembly process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of transporting your laptop. Once you've secured the back panel, reinsert the battery and plug the laptop back in. Power it on and check if the problem has been resolved. If you still encounter issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide no calls, no travel services, making it easy for you to get the help you need. In summary, repairing the HP 15sfq5124ns motherboard requires patience and the right tools. By following these steps, you can diagnose and potentially fix the issues yourself. However, if you prefer professional assistance, our team is here to help you every step of the way. Always remember to prioritize safety and proper handling of your device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.